Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get an Uber. So first of all, launch Uber application. Now once you are here, simply go to the option of services. Then over here you'll see two of these options. So in my case, I'm just going to choose ride. Now you have to select a pickup location and your destination. So this is my pickup location. Then I'm going to choose a destination where I want to go. Now after this, you will see a map somewhat like this. And then you can choose any of these cab options from here. You can also tap on add payment method. Now you have to make a payment first and then only you can get a ride. Now if you go back, you can tap on the option of choose comfort. And then simply tap on the option of confirm pickup, and then within a matter of seconds, you'll be able to get an Uber cab. So that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.